That's boondocking with dinners. That's Key Allegro. I have a little bit of color in the sky this morning. Good morning. Sunrise. Watch this sunrise for a little bit. I can hear duck hunting in the distance over on St. Joseph's Island, probably. Oh, it's chilly this morning. Howdy.
Oh, you guys are here. We're just hanging out to you today. The coolest wagon like that.
The chicken livers, and we give him, I give him chicken bones, raw chicken bones, to enrich his entertainment. Basically, he goes after the marrow.
Feed him rats, mice, hamsters, quail, chicks.
What he would get in.
Yeah,
We buy frozen.
yeah, we buy all frozen.
A lot of people think we raise this stuff and then put them down, but we don't.
And look, Charlene is a female. You can see she's pretty big. We believe she was hit by a car. She was found up in Jackson County by the side of a road. She came to us in September of 2021. We transferred her to another facility. They kept her a few months, determined that she had a wing injury and could not be released. Again, they're faced with the same situation. They can't keep her, so it's either put her down or rehome her. Called us, do you want her back? Yeah, no brainer, yes, we took her back. And I started working with her in November of 2022. It's been an interesting trip for both of us.
We get that close to a bird very often.
Wow.
Wings down.
Yeah, Mom.
A turtle right here. Right here.
Thank you. Have a great day. You too.
Okay.
Oh, you want to do the thing?
There's so much detail on it. It's amazing.
This is what I do for customers when I'm doing a custom order. I'll put it on my wheel.
And they get to admire the whole thing.
Yeah, because it can look different all the way around.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't know, did you start with the mermaid?
Well, I got to finish with the mermaid. She's good.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put your hands together for your Rockport Fulton ISD police department. Taking care of you and your children.
Willow. Are you a winner? Are you a winner? You're swinging that thing like you're crazy. What? You gonna make me? What if I don't want it? Hmm? That one's a little nuts. Swinging that thing. Can't swing it now. I got it. I got it. What you gonna do? You can't swing it. I got it. How's that work? Hey, don't bite me. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.